Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of making shotgun sights. Today we're gonna make sight clamps that will actually clamp on the rail of the shotgun. I do have my shotgun here today, so I can try them on after we are done. Issue that I had in the first video, that walking drill, I couldn't resolve it. I tried to drill it many different ways. That drill just kept walking, so I'm not sure what happened there, but what I did is I drilled halfway in with high-speed steel drill, and then I flipped the body over and drilled the other half. That worked out good. Right now, I have those clamps set up. They already tweaked. I wanted to do it off camera so I can just get it done. I got a lot of scrap. There was a lot of things that I had to adjust, but they're running good now, so let me get you guys close so you can take a closer look. Okay, this is operation 1, and that's operation 2. Here's operation 1 after it's done. The part is to size. It's drilled and reamed. And this is the finished clamp. We'll take a closer look later after you guys see how they are being machined. Okay, let's load that machine up. Operation 2, holes go towards you. Flip it over. I started using a torque wrench on my vices as I was going way too hard on them. I recently rebuilt the clutches on both of them just for that project. So there we have it, guys. It's a very quick cycle. Now let's take a closer look. Okay, guys, let's take a closer look. This is what we made today. This is one of the side clamps. This is what I call the big chamfer, the heavy chamfer, and that's the little chamfer. Notice that I have a step on it right here. This is the slot that 1/8 end mill was doing. So when that thing clamps on your shotgun rail, when it clamps, let's pretend this is your rail. When it clamps and it wants to flex a little bit, it's still having that point of contact instead of trying to come off, which is what would happen if I left that clamp flat. All right, here's the rail. We'll put this on. My rail is thin, so that thing should compress itself all the way down to the body. I assume it's 200 thousandths the width of the rail. So we got this side, now the other side. My 5/64 Allen key, I need a new one. It's worn out. This is where good tools kick in. They'll last you, not those cheapo tools. Okay, yep, that thing's not going anywhere. So this is how it attaches. And keep in mind, they will be black, so they'll blend in better. That's what it looks like. But it's on it nice and firm. So I like that. This is what it looks like. We have a gap. You can adjust them by loosening bolts on this side and tightening this side. I'm not gonna do it, it's hard to do on camera. So here's a closer look. That's how it looks like from the top. And those sights are really small. They might look big on the camera, but this this light conductor is 3 millimeters. I had an issue with it as the guy that I'm buying these from, he said that the diameter of it can vary 20%, which is a lot. So I'll have to ream these holes accordingly to whatever stock I got on light conductors. Yep.